Going in the wrong direction for the second straight day, Maryland reports more than 900 new coronavirus cases, and the number of people in the hospital has not been this high since early August. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter.
And I'm Nicole Baker. In the last hour or so, Governor Hogan issued an order renewing the state of emergency for Maryland. The governor says while our positivity and case rate is lower than other states, key metrics like hospitalizations, they are rising. He says the only way to keep Maryland open for business is by not letting our guard down and to follow safety protocols.
Right now, Baltimore is averaging 82 new cases a day, a 120% rise from 4 weeks ago. Just a short time ago, a forceful Baltimore Mayor Jack Young said people in Baltimore must continue to do their part.
We're still in a pandemic, one that's built to spread rapidly in large groups. The coronavirus pandemic hasn't gone anywhere, and we need all of our residents and visitors to act accordingly. Wear a mask when out in public, watch your distance to others, and wash your hands often. We have been very successful throughout this pandemic in avoiding large outbreaks, but we are coming to a time of year where the risks are going to increase.
Mayor adds the choices people make over the next few days will determine if we will have anything close to a normal Thanksgiving.
And the mayor and the city health commissioner, they are urging caution while celebrating Halloween this weekend.
WJZ is live in Highlandtown, where Halloween tradition will look a little different. Paul Kessler has some alternatives to traditional trick-or-treating. Paul.
Well, Vic and Nicole, this is one of my favorite Halloween traditions here in Baltimore. It's the annual Lantern Parade and Festival. This year, tomorrow night, it will be a car parade instead. One of the many ways this year's Halloween just looks and feels different. At the Maryland Zoo, it can be tough to discern between the lions and 2-year-old Noah.
What do the lions say? Yeah. That's a good one.
This would have been Noah's first traditional trick-or-treat.
We might just walk around the neighborhood and look at stuff, but we're not going to, like, go up to people.
Instead, he and so many others are finding alternatives like this sold-out, limited-capacity event at the zoo.
As a parent, I'm pretty bummed for my kids. This is like a tradition every year. I really love Halloween, so does he. But I think safety is more important. I feel much more comfortable doing this than door to door.
There are 15 candy stations.
Lots of candy.
Spread out across the zoo.
We don't know how we're going to do trick-or-treating on Saturday night, but coming here and being able to go through the zoo and staying separated from everybody is really working out.
We're not advising the traditional trick-or-treating.
The city's health commissioner and other medical experts say outdoor activities are safer.
The safest thing to do during Halloween is to celebrate with those in your household.
Many parents Friday described the challenge of balancing childhood with public health.
They still don't understand the whole concept of the virus. They just want to have fun with their friends. So we're doing what we can.
Back live now, we're here in Highlandtown. They're saying that they want people to be part of this virtual costume contest. Some haunted houses have converted to drive-through. Trunk or treats have been safely modified, and tomorrow's Lantern Parade organizers here at the Creative Alliance are urging neighbors to decorate their stoops and come out and enjoy the parade. So adapt and overcome, this 2020 motto seems to be taking place for and applying for Halloween as well. Reporting live at 4 tonight, I'm Paul Gessler for WJZ.